Unajua shida ni una shop na hujui unataka nini. Maybe look like this. What? Your life. Anyway, so the video that I wanted to post today, the video that was supposed to go up today didn't because it disappeared. My phone did that on me. I don't know. Sijui newyoutuber. Sijui. Like I have a choice. Like I can throw it away. Like I have the money to buy another one. Anyway, so welcome to my weekly vlog or weekend vlog. I'm not sure. I'm not so sure what this will be. But tutaona in a week's time because I'm gonna post it in a week's time or 3 days. It really just depends with how this. Oh, the sun. Where? Okay. I don't know when I'm gonna post this, but yeah, welcome to my vlog. I hope you stay. If you're new, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, you're the one. Look at my nails. Look at my the ghetto. I always get what I want. So tomorrow is wash day and I hate washing dry hair, so yeah. High five, guys. About the embarrassment. Okay, sasa ikiharibika mtu ufanya nini? Kitu yangu ya maji sijui imeclog. Anyway, tutatafuta njia. Moisturize my hair and then I made it work.
Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth.
Give me a gun. Tabu mkumbusha before talking. No mwambia hata mimi nakumbuka.
Was that now? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out.
Kutakuwa na online. Mimi niko so sure vile corona iko. Already kuna online. So ikiendelea hivyo. Haki mimi mzangu wa vipi. Lakini I don't think wanaweza change. Unajua shida ni una shop na hujui unataka nini. Ati hadi sanitizer from wapi? Lakini unajua naishi solo. Fisto ni tamu. Hata hiyo tunda nachukua. Una bengi 1.5. Nimeisha na how long?
1 month and a half.
Yake nakanga sababu yangu nakanga 2 weeks.
I just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down.
I just got to the house and I don't know where to start. I am so tired. Sijui nianze wapi. I really don't know. I have a ton of clothes up to fold. Let me just show you in a bit. Like I have to fold all of those. I just nimechoka. And then do the dishes. And I also really want to replace my kitchen curtain. Let me show you how it looks right now. I hate it. It's hideous. I just hate it. I got a few things. Let me just show you. I went to the thrift shop. I got few things. Let me just show you guys. So I got to up on floor. So this is a bed sheet. I got this beautiful oversized what do they call them, like a sweatshirt. yeah. And then this is a sheer curtain. It's so pretty, it's so brown. I like it. It's very pretty. It's sheer and it's also very long. So for my kitchen I wanted to put this, and I feel like I'll have to cut it or fold it. I don't know yet what to do with it, but I feel like it will fit because it's as thin as my power. It's as thin as my kitchen, so it doesn't quite go with but it does. I plan to put gray curtains. My curtains right now are this beige color or cream. I don't know if you can see it because of the sunlight, but I have these shears underneath. These are, you still can't see, let me show you in this, you still can't see. They are gray, but so I don't know if it will match with this. Maybe it will because of the gray and blue pigments on this curtain. I hope it does. So yeah, let me get to that.
Never usually the one who wanna save on. Never thought that I'd be here calling you baby, baby, baby. I don't like wasting my time, I don't like risking it all. Too busy handling mine, too independent to fall. And I don't even know why you make me want to shove. To keep it honey, honey, I think I love you.
Oh my lord, that is so much better. I just need to cut it like there on that fold, or I don't know, pin it or something. I don't know. Let me see what I can do with that. Use these two pins. I don't know how yet, but let's see what I can do.
Now all I do is think about you. Every night lay up with you. Just can't get you off my mind. And you know that's why I fuck with you. And all the lines that I done drawn, you've been erasing. Never usually the one who wanna save them. Never thought that I'd be here calling you babe.
Guys, so it's the next day, it's Monday. I couldn't vlog in the morning because I was in such a hurry. I was leaving for work. If you didn't know, I was at an internship for the past 2 months, January to March. It was supposed to end last week, Thursday, Friday, but just not Friday actually. It was supposed to end on Thursday, but some documents are left behind because it's just a lot of many becauses. You know, one thing I've learned in that whole process, apart from things like persistence and patience, I've learned that your colleagues are not your friends. Like, do not, just do your work and like just leave everyone to do whatever it is. Do not befriend or even accept like that kind of personal friendships from your colleagues. They are not your friends. Because just I have nothing to say. I honestly have nothing to say. I am tired. Clothes are still everywhere in my room. I still haven't taken care of that. I probably will do that right now. And I'm just relaxing. I've had a long morning. Yeah. So I'm just taking my time to relax. So yeah.
Baby, baby, but I fuck with you. And all the moves that I done said, you got me breaking. Wanting you to be my mama, that shit crazy. Never thought that I'd be here calling you baby, baby, baby. Look at you making me smile. You got me answering texts. You could be head in the game, I could be done with the rest. And if you keep the pace, you gon' make it on the gram. I never done it to keep it honey, honey. Now all I do is think about you. Every night lay up with you. Just can't get you off my mind. And you know that's why I fuck with you. And all the lines that I done drawn, you've been erasing. Never usually the one who wanna save them. Thought that I'd be here calling you baby, 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 yeah.
So this is the final result of the closet. It's been picked up, so it's not like as arranged as it should be, especially there, because I just wore that one like right now because I was outside for a minute. But it's better than how it was. There are no clothes down here. So yeah, that is the final result. I finally got around to doing my hair. It is washed. just show you. I steamed it, and I steamed it with deep treatment, the Quadra oil treatment that I use. If you missed my hair, oh my lord, where? Okay, if you missed my hair, but it's soft as if it is so soft. If you missed my hair tutorial, it's up here. Also, what else have I done? Yeah, to my hair, I was saying I have deep treated my hair using a protein treatment, that is Mikala, the Quadra oil protein treatment. Please go watch my hair tutorial, you will see it. It is amazing. What else have I done? Shampoo, deep treatment, steam, then conditioned. I did not pre-poo this time because I was so lazy, man. I'm just so lazy today. But yeah, that is all I have done to my hair today, and I just want to put it in twists or three strand twists like matutas, and then just, you know. But nimuumiza kidole when I was washing the dishes. This finger is cut, as you can see. I don't know if you can see there. This finger is cut there. I was washing my dishes, and then there's this one dish. It is a microwave topper, the glass one, and it had fallen, but it wasn't even me who forgot to throw it out. So as I was washing, I put my hands inside and it cut me. So yeah, I don't know how I'm going to do my hair with a band-aid on. I don't know how, but we'll see. Alright, that is all. I'm just gonna put this in a time lapse as I continue with my day. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm so happy. I was in such a creative slump, but I am glad to be back. Thank you so much. Wait, it's not over. Just continue. It's not over. It's not.
Fuck with you and all the rules that I done say you got me breaking. Only you to me, my mama, that shit crazy. Never thought that I'd be here calling you baby. Got me in my feelings, acting crazy, but I'm sober.